Hi guys, we're gonna do a fun spring summer design today. Yeah, honest, we are. Really. You're seeing Christmas, but you're not seeing Christmas. Honest. I want to play around with you guys. I just wanted to show you that I have millions of canvases. I did a bunch of kids' paint parties throughout the years, and I have like duplicates of all kinds of really fun and easy ones. This is one of the paint parties that you can do through Donna Dewberry, one of her packs, her Christmas owls, really fun and easy ones. But anyways, like I said, I have so many canvases and I want to keep buying canvases. And definitely they're fun to do. And just use them again, guys, right? So I have a wrap canvas here. You can do this to a board, either or. The board is a lot more sturdy. The canvas, the wrapped ones, definitely has a lot more bounce to it. And so yeah, all you have to do is paint over them, guys. It will cover. The only thing is, if you have some really high areas, like especially when you're doing dots and you got a lot of coverage in certain areas, a little bit thicker, heavy-handed, those are, you're gonna need a little bit more sanding. But definitely, that's all you have to do. And I even put glitter on this, guys, right? So I am a retired nail tech, and often you might have seen in other ones that I've done some sanding on some stuff. I sometimes will even use an old nail file, but just don't get it too strong of a grit, right? So they do sell these sanding blocks over at your home hardware, sometimes dollar stores. And they do come like in fine, medium, or coarse. Definitely stick to a medium, because they do get dull and then they'll be more fine in the end. Coarse is definitely way too strong. So some of them will actually put numbers, and there's like 150, 180, 240 is very, very fine. All right, so it goes higher in number, the finer the grit. So definitely you can get a couple sanding blocks. Sometimes I'll go and just do a rough one with, something coarse if there's a lot of high areas, and try to get most of that off, and then I'll switch to something a little bit finer. So I'm not going to do this today in front of you guys. It will make a lot of noise. It will definitely make a little bit of mess with this glitter. So I'm just going to go pop outside in my front porch here and sand it down a little bit so it's smoother. And I'm going to show you how I just go ahead and start painting right over an old design. Okay, so a lot of us might have some canvases around there that you put in the closet you didn't like. Definitely use them again, guys, right? Save, reuse, reinvent. We have to be very thrifty sometimes. So like I said, just take some buffers to it. And then another thing too, guys, because it's a wrapped canvas, I have an old book here that I'm going to use. It's about the same thickness as the depth of inside the canvas. So when I go and put this under, I'm going to put this on my picnic table outside, then I have no bounce anymore. And this is also a great trick to do, guys, if you feel like you need more stability on your canvases when you're working on them. Just to leave that book under there while you're working, and you'll see it'll be more like a board. Right? So, and then it'll have the nice canvas edge that you can wrap around your design and hang very easy, like we like wrap canvases for. So yeah, just a little bit of tips and tricks for you guys to get you started on your designs. Don't forget to use up those canvases that you have in the closet.